Hello dear students. Today we have discussed about class 8th geography chapter number 1, that is resource. First we have to understand what is resource. Look around. We have so many objectives. For example, water, electricity, vehicles and textbooks. So, anything that can be used to satisfy a need is called resources. What makes an object or substance as resource? Utility or usability makes an object as resource. How does something become a resource? Things become resources when all resources have some value. Here, value means worth. Some resources have economic value, some do not. For example, metals have an economic value. Air may not, but both are important for human need. The main types of resources are natural resources and human-made resources. Now we will discuss about natural resources. Natural resources means the resources which are obtained from nature are called natural resources. For example, soil, river, air. Students, please keep in your mind that these are not made by humans. Natural resources are classified based on their development and use origin, stock and distribution. The first one, under the basis of development and use, we have two types. Those are actual resources. Second one is potential resources. First one, actual resources. Actual resources means present the resources whose quantity is known and being used in present is called actual resources. For example, coal. Second one is potential resources. Potential resources means whose quantity may not be known and not being at present are called potential resources. But these can be used in future. For example, uranium in Ladakh. On the basis of origin, we have two types. Those are abiotic resources and biotic resources. First one, abiotic resources. Abiotic resources means non-living beings. For example, soil, rocks and minerals. And second one is biotic resources. Biotic resources means living beings. For example, plants and animals. On the basis of stock or exhaustibility, we have two types. Those are renewable natural resources and second one, non-renewable natural resources. First one, renewable natural resources. Renewable natural resources are which can be replenished are created very quickly are called renewable natural resources. For example, wind energy and solar energy. Non-renewable natural resources are which cannot be replenished quickly. For example, coal and petroleum. Finally, on the basis of distribution, we have ubiquitous resources and localized resources. Ubiquitous resources are which can be found in every places. For example, air. And second one is localized resources. Localized resources means the resources which are located in particular places. For example, minerals